went inside a very cold waterfall. Well, it was also very cold outside. Hydrotherapy, I think they call it.
In this retreat, they challenged me to go in a cold waterfall and, grow as a person. And after that, I think I'm gonna start taking cold showers daily.
Our actions have consequences. And so when we talk about karma yoga, a lot of the bad consequences that we may get in our lives is just because we weren't thinking.
Failure is great, and it's great to fail. Over time, it builds resilience. You should face it with a smile.
A lot of really delicious food, really delicious, healthy, seasonal food.
Eating vegetarian food can be uncomfortable because, I always eat meat. So, it's always new stuff to me.
So really, all karma yoga is we're thinking about doing good things for people.
Detachment is very important when it comes to forming relationships.
I had a lot of really beautiful conversations with people that I didn't know that I'm happy to know now.
This retreat was to declare war on comfortability, put me in the situations that I'm uncomfortable to grow as a person.
Because when you're in a mode of service, you're always happy. You notice, because you're thinking about the benefit of the other person.
We're trying to discover who we are, our purpose, doing all that internal work together. It's so much easier than going against the gradient and doing it by yourself.
I learned more about myself. I learned how to analyze relationships, positive and negative ones.
So all these other thoughts about what's wrong with the world and what you're going to eat later and what homework you have to do, they go away because you're just thinking about benefiting someone else and caring for them.
Like if I value myself properly, my relationships are better, and if I don't value myself properly, my relationships are bad.
I wanted to work on having a better relationship with myself in terms of eating and drinking and sleeping.
Anything new is a little bit scary.
I'm ready for my sadhana to be a sadhana every day.